It's a new 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice-activated climate controls, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at MB-Lynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,